Welcome back to Beilite, where every detail counts. Right now, you're looking at the core of precision, our CNC machining centers. But here's something most people don't know: to reach true perfection, we don't rely on one single machining process. We follow a two-stage method that might sound unusual, but it's the secret to Beilite's unbeatable accuracy. This is where raw strength meets microscopic precision. When shaping ultra-tough steel into the core of a hydraulic hammer, a single pass just won't do. It's fast, sure, but it leaves internal stress trapped inside the metal. That's why Beilite takes a smarter approach. Here, we remove the bulk material with powerful high-speed cuts. We let the steel rest, stabilize, and naturally release its built-up stress. Only after that do we move to stage 2, precision finish machining. A final, ultra-fine cut locks in perfect dimensions, ensuring every part stays balanced and stable even after years of heavy impact and extreme conditions. That's the Beilite difference: strength and precision working perfectly together. This isn't over-engineering, it's smart engineering. Next time, we'll step inside the grinding department, where we turn raw steel into mirror-finished components built for elite performance. If precision matters to you, make sure to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more real engineering from Beilite.